Hey everyone! Welcome back to Art and Polish. If you're new here, I'm Anjali Patel, and today we're diving into the vibrant world of neon nails. We're going to cover how to achieve that iconic neon look, which colors work best. What are neon nails? Alright, neon nails have become a huge trend lately, and it's easy to see why. These nails are bright, bold, and they make a statement. Neon colors are ultra-saturated shades that pop under both natural and UV light, creating a vibrant, eye-catching effect. Think of colors like electric yellow, hot pink, blazing orange, or neon green. These shades aren't here to play. Neon color selection tips. Choosing the right neon color can be a little overwhelming because they're all so beautiful. Here are some tips to help you find the perfect neon shade for your vibe. For those with warmer skin tones, I suggest trying neon oranges, pinks, and yellows. These colors complement the warm undertones in your skin and can really make your hands glow. For cooler skin tones, try neon greens, blues, or purples. These colors will look super bold and striking against your skin. For everyone, hot pink is a universal neon shade. No matter your skin tone, this color will make your nails stand out in any crowd. Preparing your nails for neon polish. Now, let's talk prep. Proper preparation is key to getting that salon quality look and making your neon nails last as long as possible. Start with clean nails. Begin by removing any old polish and pushing back your cuticles. You want a clean surface for the polish to adhere to. 2. Buffing the surface. Gently buff your nails to create a smooth surface. This helps the neon polish apply evenly and prevents it from looking streaky. 3. Applying a white base coat. Now, here's a pro tip. Apply a layer of white polish before you add the neon color. This helps make the neon color pop even more and gives it a super bright finish. Applying the neon polish. Start with a thin layer of neon polish. It might look a bit sheer at first, but don't worry. Neon colors often need 2 or even 3 coats for that full opacity. Apply the polish in thin layers, letting each one dry before adding the next. This helps avoid any streaks or bumps. Once you're happy with the opacity, finish with a high shine top coat. Neon nail care myths. I wanted to quickly address some common myths about neon nail polish. One I often hear is that neon colors don't last as long. While it's true that neon polish can be a bit more prone to fading, with the right prep and care, your nails can look vibrant for weeks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below with which neon shade you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay bright and bold.